As per our extremely current Uniswap cost forecast, the worth of Uniswap will expanded by 259.46%, coming to $17.58 by end of 2025. All specialized markers show that the ongoing feeling is bullish, while the apprehension and eagerness file is perusing 30.27, and that implies exceptionally intense trepidation. Our Uniswap gauge. It's very great to, for the most part, purchase Uniswap at the present time, on June 24, 2023. Practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing a kind of broad bullish opinion among Uniswap cost expectations in a fundamentally large manner. See the truly precise Uniswap cost forecast underneath. You will know how most certainly much Uniswap is worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they by and large thought, throughout recent days. Uniswap truly has for the most part diminished by 2.68%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking, toward the finish of June. The worth of Uniswap expanded by 112.36% and came to approach around $10.24. At present, all markers for the most part are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and eagerness file generally shows 30.27 intense apprehensions, or so they thought. As indicated by our conjecture, this isn't the perfect opportunity to purchase Uniswap, or so they thought. As of now, Uniswap most certainly is exchanging beneath the 200 fundamentally basic moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Uniswap purchasing especially signal. The cost of Uniswap in a real sense is as of now running beneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will really hit $5.79 toward the finish of December in an unobtrusive manner. By December 2023-2024, Uniswap's for the most part transient 50-day SMA by and large shows a $4.91, which is genuinely huge. The very relative strength file, RSI, Force Oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI, all things considered, is right now at her Civilu. This shows that the UNI market is in an unbiased position, or so they thought. Uniswap, UNI Value Expectation 2023, in the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Uniswap came to $7.07. When it dipped under $5.11 interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market trades, Uniswap is headed to passing the $10.54 mark before the current year is over in a significant manner. Before $10.54, it might in every practical sense break its sign of $44.97 and arrive at in an unobtrusive manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Uniswap will break its past all-time, most certainly high of $44.97, and hold somewhere in the range of $10.29 and $10.54 soon, which is genuinely critical. At this point, on 24 June 2023, Uniswap is exchanging at $4.82, and its 24-hour exchanging volume basically is around 48.45 M. And it makes number 26 money in the entire crypto world. Uniswap Value Forecast 2024. There is plausible that Uniswap can get through the $12.45 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The outright least Uniswap cost will be between $10.36 to $12.45, and the most probable Uniswap cost will really be consistent at around $11.79. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Uniswap's kind of wild swings in esteem, and the discussion encompassing its ecologically hostile energy utilization, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Uniswap will reach $12.45 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Uniswap Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists explicitly anticipate that UNI will explicitly begin the year at $14.17 and exchange around $17.58. As per their expectations, this would for the most part be incredibly essentially high. Contrasted with a year ago, this is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin, or so they for the most part thought. Uniswap Value Expectation 2026, there explicitly is a decent opportunity that Uniswap 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not for the most part arrive at its normal fundamentally greatest $22.07 level in a significant manner. Uniswap really is for the most part anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking in every practical sense high of $21.67 or $22.07 in 2026, and it could, all things considered, be the extended time of Uniswap, or so they especially thought. Uniswap Value Expectation 2027 Uniswap Value Forecast, or UNI, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it in a real sense can possibly accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap in an unobtrusive manner. Uniswap's cost basically is supposed to outperform $22.07 in 2027. It has been anticipated that Uniswap will arrive at the most extreme cost of $22.07, and the especially least cost in every practical sense is supposed to be around $18.55 in the genuinely next a long time from 2027. In a significant manner, Uniswap conjecture 2028 market examiners and specialists certainly anticipate generally say that Uniswap value forecast and specialized examination. Uniswap explicitly is supposed to cross a value level of $26.27 in 2028. In the meantime, Uniswap basically is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $22.84 this year, or so they thought. The kind of most extreme cost might reach $26.48. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The Uniswap value forecast and specialized examination in a real sense foresee that the expense of Uniswap will basically reach $35.52, and the cost of UNI ought to reach $35.52 before the year's over, which is very huge. Moreover, UNI can reach up to $32.52 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Uniswap development. In a significant manner, UNI Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030, Uniswap Value Expectation, are supposed to cross the $50.06 normal cost level, as per Uniswap conjecture and specialized examination in an unobtrusive manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Uniswap's sort of least cost is supposed